Insta360's next flagship 360-degree camera, the X6, looks set to arrive soon, and rumors suggest it will pack dramatic upgrades. Leaks hint at a jump to a 1-inch class image sensor and true 8K video at 60 frames per second. If accurate, these improvements would vastly boost low-light performance and slow-motion quality, making the X6 a class-leading 360-degree camera. Let's break down exactly what's been leaked and how confident we can be in each claim. There's no official word yet, but recent filings make the X6 all but real. In late March 2026, Insta360 registered a device named Insta360 X6 with regulatory bodies under a model code. This kind of certificate is one of the clearest signals of a pending launch. Digital Camera World notes that the registration strongly implies delivery should be expected soon. In short, the paperwork strongly implies a 2026 Insta360 X6 release is coming, and that's exactly why the leaked specs below are worth paying attention to. With the certification confirming the camera exists, attention has turned to what's actually inside it, and the biggest buzz is a much larger sensor and higher frame rates. Leaks suggest Insta360 could match DJI's Osmo 360 with a sensor near the 1-inch class. DJI's current model uses a 1.1-inch sensor. Practically, a bigger sensor means better low-light performance and finer detail. Alongside this, an 8K mode at 60 frames per second is widely expected, a jump up from 8K at 30 frames per second on the X5. Both Digital Camera World and other insiders single out 8K at 60 frames per second as a likely upgrade. If Insta360 delivers this, the X6 would significantly outpace current 360 cameras, allowing ultra-smooth action clips, potentially even 5.7K at 120 frames per second in single-lens mode. Given the certification timing and the competitive pressure we'll get into shortly, these upgrades seem quite plausible. A bigger sensor is only half the story. What you can do with that footage afterward matters just as much, and that's where color depth comes in. Rumors point to much richer video color this time around. Analysts say the X6 should offer 10-bit color and improved HDR to compete with DJI and GoPro. Today's Insta360 models output 8-bit video, which can show banding or blown-out highlights in tricky lighting. Moving to 10-bit color and better HDR processing would give creators far more room to grade footage and recover dynamic range. Nothing here is confirmed by an official spec sheet, but with rivals already shipping 10-bit HDR 360-degree video, insiders rate this upgrade as realistic. Pushing 8K at 60 frames per second in 10-bit color demands a serious jump in processing power. Shooting at that level requires far more processing power and thermal management than the X5's 8K at 30 frames per second, so Insta360 will almost certainly need to upgrade its chip and cooling system. Reviewers have explicitly pointed out that boosting battery capacity and internal thermals would be necessary to sustain true 8K at 60 frames per second video. So expect a more powerful image processor and redesigned internals to keep things cool, though without leaked schematics or part numbers, we don't yet know exactly which chipset or cooling design they'll use. This is plausible speculation based on technical necessity. A faster processor and bigger sensor also mean more power draw, which brings us to the next commonly rumored upgrade: battery size. Insta360 users are hoping for a pack in the 2600 to 3000 mAh range, which rumor sites claim could yield over 100 minutes of 8K shooting, up from the X5's roughly 88 minutes. A bigger battery would be a genuinely practical boost for long sessions. There's no official spec yet, but certification hints and competitive pressure both suggest this is likely. If Insta360 does include a bigger cell with efficient circuitry, creators could fully use the new specs without constantly running out of power. All this new hardware will generate much heavier footage, and that's exactly where Insta360 software has always had to step up. Enhanced AI tools are widely expected for the X6, with leaks frequently mentioning next-level AI editing, auto-reframing, subject tracking, and voice commands. Insta360 will likely build on its already strong app and desktop studio suite to help manage the new high frame rate, higher fidelity footage. That Insta360 has long held an advantage in post-processing features, though DJI and GoPro are catching up fast. The X6 will probably need smarter stitching, smoother stabilization, and quicker export workflows just to stay competitive as file sizes grow. These improvements are widely anticipated, but they come from insider expectations rather than a spec sheet, hence the medium confidence. All of this raises an obvious question. Why does Insta360 need to make such a big leap right now? The answer is competitive pressure. The 360-degree camera market is heating up fast. DJI's Osmo 360, launched in 2025, already records 8K at 50 frames per second with 10-bit HDR and uses a 1.1-inch sensor. GoPro's Max 2 also offers true 8K 360-degree video. In short, the X5 has fallen behind. The X5's advantage isn't as clear anymore. If Insta360 stays at 8K 30 frames per second and 8-bit color, it risks falling off the pace entirely. Matching or exceeding 8K at 60 frames per second and 10-bit is how it stays ahead. That competitive urgency also lines up neatly with timing. The X4 launched in April 2024 and the X5 followed in April 2025. Insta360 has clearly settled into a spring launch cadence. The recent certification appeared right on schedule too. Industry analysts note that companies typically file equipment registrations just weeks or months before launch. In other words, this isn't random speculation. It matches Insta360's established pattern. If all goes normally, expect the X6 to be announced in spring 2026, possibly around the same window as DJI or GoPro's own announcements. So what does all this actually mean if you're the one shooting with this camera? A larger sensor plus 10-bit color means more room to push shadows and pull down highlights in post without visible artifacts. 8K footage at 60 frames per second would let vloggers and action shooters capture fluid slow motion straight out of camera with enough resolution to crop safely using Insta360's reframing tools. The trade-off is a much heavier data load. Editing 10-bit, high frame rate 8K footage will need fast memory cards and a capable computer. This is where Insta360's mature workflow, combining mobile editing with the Insta360 Studio desktop app, becomes crucial for managing those large files smoothly. And with a longer battery life of over 100 minutes of 8K shooting, creators could run longer 360-degree sessions without swapping power mid-shoot. Altogether, these upgrades would unlock richer creative possibilities, like stable, high-resolution footage in dim light, even if it means investing in more storage and processing power on your end. Putting it all together, the X6 is shaping up to be a serious leap if these leaks hold true. A jump to a near 1-inch sensor, 8K video at 60 frames per second, and 10-bit color processing would put it firmly ahead of the competition. Of course, none of this is official yet. We'll only know for sure once Insta360 makes its announcement. But for 360-degree video enthusiasts, the rumors paint an exciting picture of what's coming. Stay subscribed. We'll bring you the real specs and first impressions the moment the X6 is officially announced.